patient comes to you, how do you determine that you need to incorporate like a reading or an astrology, or I need to incorporate food, or I need to give him healing? How do you determine when you look at the patient? Like, are you listening to his story? What are the permutation combinations that you choose for a client
So
or patient?
in a homeopathy organ of medicine, which is our Bible, homeopathy Bible, the first statement is that a homeopath has to be a keen observer. Anyone who is treating somebody needs to be a keen observer. You need to have
Yes.
that insight, and also what exactly the patient is getting to you. Now, see, uh, whenever a person is coming with a recurrent skin disease, like psoriasis, or you can say a very troublesome eczema, he's getting all right. He's again getting it. He's getting all right.
Yes.
He's again getting it.
Yes.
Since I have a father who is an astrologer, I've seen people coming to my father and saying, रावल साहब बहुत टाइम से ये स्किन प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, बहुत अच्छे डॉक्टर्स के पास चले गए बट कुछ नहीं हुआ. So when he sees their chart, that is how I learned what he has been practicing from last 50 years, that भाई इसका राहु केतु में प्रॉब्लम है, या इसके 6th हाउस में या 8th हाउस में प्रॉब्लम है. He tells them the remedy has to be done by the person and not by somebody who is a pandit, because आप करोगे तो आपको ही फल मिलेगा. And that's how I've seen that to a greater extent that disease has gone down. First I used to think, what is dad talking about? But then he, being a graduate in mathematics, when he is questioning this, that आपने ये करके देखा, and person said no, हमको तो किसी ने बताया, आप करके देखो. So certain colors to wear or certain things to be done as far as the afflicted planet is causing this problem, because there are certain planets which give you diseases. If your certain planet is not, your moon is not in a good place, or your moon is afflicted, you're bound to have psychological issues, anxiety, panic disorder.
Yes.
So they say, why don't
So
you
how
have...
does homeopathy help in this, or
So
your
we give medicine symptomatically, so that he doesn't have to go on something very high end and diffuse himself completely.
correct? So how did you even think of becoming homeopathy doctor? Because if your father's an astrologer, or how does this doctor thing come in you? Was it destiny?
I think everything is a soul plan, right? And we need to understand this, but we understand very late in our life. So I gave 10 PMTs, and my father had already predicted that I will become a homeopath, and I didn't take him very strongly at that time. The journey initially was little tumultuous, because I felt that, is this a real place for me? But as it went along and as I went into the topic, I realized that I could actually imbibe what I was reading. So it was this was a very organic journey, I should say, because I just thought that, okay, I'll do 1 or 2 years of BHMS, which is my degree, and then I will shift to MBBS. But then it took such a hold on me that I was studying the similar curriculum, but to pharmacology at the same time, what they teach in MBBS and what they were teaching in BHMS. And thankfully, I got very good teachers. The support by my parents was amazing. The journey was smooth, and by the time I started practicing, I realized one thing, that ये दवाई देके रात को मैं सुकून से सोऊंगी, क्योंकि ये करेगी तो अच्छा ही करेगी, बुरा कभी नहीं करेगी.
No side effects.
No side effects. So I was very contented person कि जो होगा वो अच्छा ही होगा, कुछ बुरा नहीं करेगी. Because I was seeing people around me who were taking homeopathy, and they said, अच्छा वाह, you're doing homeopathy, very good. We are happy that we are going to have homeopath in around the area. So I said, okay, something I am doing right. So I went on doing it, and thankfully the curriculum also went very fluid to me. I was a university topper. So everything fell in place, and the credit goes to my parents.
So your parents are actually the first representation of divine masculine and feminine.
Yes.
And I've been hearing you about your dad, you know, the kind of influence he has in life, and you keep saying he's your first guru in your life, you know. But for you, like, if if your father as a man was very evolved, like being a mathematical person and still having this entire spiritual side to him. And like you said, that
See, I'm smiling at his
sadhana-
name only.
yeah, you seem to be in awe with your father as his, has been your idol. So it's very interesting to see a woman who has the mother and the father in very balanced spaces where she becomes a whole.
Yeah.
Because normally we come with a lot of wounds.
Yeah.
So we have imperfect parents and we have parents who have created wounds in us, mostly.
See, I would like to say that no parent is perfect.
No parent is
But
perfect.
thankfully, I got nearly perfect parents. And I think the synchronization they both have with each other, that played a very important role in my cultivating the way I am.
Correct.
So, speaking about my dad is a very lucky person. He has his own very tough life, which he went through. He came to Mumbai, he made his mark. From being a graduate in mathematics to being a film distributor, turning into an astrologer. He's a second astrologer in the family. First being my grandfather, Shri Suresh Shivnath Rawal. So, third being me. I don't know how it came to me. I think his grace only. So, I saw dad going through a lot of roller coaster. But in that also, he kept a very happy face. My father never asked me, तूने कितने marks लाए हैं? I think ये message सब parents को जाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. That बेटा तू hard work कर, okay? To hard work kar. Hard work is important.
Yes.
But those marks, they don't defy to कौन है.
Yes.
So that kind of person is my father कि white पे black करके आना, सिर्फ मेहनत करना. So कभी वो pressure ही नहीं था. So I think that made me flourish more and more. And mummy being, a support system to dad. It's not that my mother was under my dad. She used to say, क्या किया मुझे दिखाओ. अच्छा इसमें क्यों नहीं बराबर मार्क्स लाए. So बैलेंस हो जाता था. अच्छा 100 में से 99 ही आया तो फिर ये 1 मार्क क्यों गया. चलो हम वो पढ़ लेते हैं. So it was like 100 में से 99 क्यों लाया. It was never like that. So it was like एक आराम से करने बोला और एक करवा रहा है in a good way.
Yeah.
So divine feminine and masculine was
काफी balanced
काफी
है.
balanced था.
And they are representations of your own inner.
Absolutely.
world. So
I think
that
I
means-
tell this to parents who are coming to me right now because some parents are very anal about what their son, daughter are doing.
Yes.
I could not play football for Manchester United. My son is going to such a good school, he should play. I'm like, huh? That guy loves to play guitar, let him play guitar
Yeah,
now.
exactly.
And some mother will say, I have done so well in my mathematics and I'm a, you can say like a financial geek. But my daughter only likes photography. I said, karne do na. You may never know. See, now there are so many amends which are open.
Yes. Initially
30 years
इतना नहीं
back,
था.
it was like मेरा बेटा इंजीनियर बनेगा, मेरा बेटा डॉक्टर बनेगा. वो उसको चाहिए या नहीं चाहिए, वो बना. So I feel that they told me, what you want to become? I said, I will think about it. I said, okay. I said, what do you want me to become? They gave me this 3-4 option and I was pretty cool. I said, I think doctor is a good profession for me. And that's how it became.
Amazing.